What's good, friends? Welcome back to part 2. Last time we dove deep into fake friends and red flags. Feeling a bit overwhelmed? Don't worry. Today we're tackling the drama and building real friendships. Alright, after last episode, you might be looking at your friendships a little differently, maybe even feeling a little stressed about some drama. But don't panic. Friendship drama doesn't have to control your life. Think of this episode as your friendship first aid kit. Let's get into how to actually navigate this mess and build those amazing supportive friendships you deserve. First things first, stay calm. I know, easier said than done when your blood is boiling hotter than lava, but take a deep breath, count to 10, listen to your favorite chill song, whatever works for you. Approach the situation like a detective, not a volcano. Next, actually talk to your friend. Yeah, face-to-face or at least over text, not through passive-aggressive Insta stories. Use I statements. Think I feel hurt when, instead of you always. It's less accusatory, more mature-ish. And setting boundaries is key. Let them know what's not okay. The gossip, the borrowing, without asking, whatever grinds your gears, like, actually say it out loud. Hey, I'm not cool with you sharing my secrets. Please stop. Simple as that. Well, maybe not simple, but necessary. And even if you're fuming, try to see their side of the story. Maybe, just maybe, they're not intentionally being a jerk. Understanding their perspective, even if you don't agree with it, can help you figure things out. But here's the ultimate truth bomb. Sometimes, no matter how hard you try, a friendship is just unhealthy. And guess what? It is 100% okay to walk away. Seriously, your mental health is way more important than clinging to a friendship that feels like a roller coaster of drama and bad vibes. It's like ditching those gas station headphones for some quality noise-canceling ones. Worth it. Now, what about that one friend who's always surrounded by drama? We all have one. It's cool to be supportive, but you gotta protect your own energy, friends. Acknowledge their feelings. Let them know you're there for them, but don't get sucked into their endless vortex of drama. Set boundaries. Let them know you're not down for constant negativity and gossip fests. And if their drama is seriously spiraling, gently nudge them towards talking to a grown-up, a counselor, a trusted adult, someone who can offer real help, not just more drama fuel. Okay, sometimes friendship drama is actually a sign that you are evolving. Mind blown, right? As you grow and change, your values and priorities shift, and that can totally shake up your friendships. It's like realizing your favorite band from middle school suddenly sounds kind of lame now. It happens. Be self-aware. Are you contributing to the drama? Maybe you're changing and your friends aren't, or vice versa. If you're the one changing, be honest with yourself and your friends about your needs. And if your friends are shifting, try to be understanding. But again, boundaries. Don't be afraid to set them if their behavior is becoming toxic to you. Growth spurts aren't just physical, they're emotional and friendship-related too. Now, sometimes you might be the one who messed up. Oops. It happens to the best of us. Learning to apologize like a pro is a superpower for fixing fights and keeping friendships strong. Enter the SEAL technique. Sounds intense, right? It's actually super simple. S stands for stop and strategize. Don't just blurt out a rushed sorry without thinking. Take a breath, chill, and think about what you actually want to say. No knee-jerk reactions. E is for explain. Tell them what happened and what you did wrong. Own it. No excuses, just straight-up honesty. I messed up when I did this and that. A is for affirm. Acknowledge their feelings. Show them you get why they're hurt. I understand why you're upset because I did such and actually mean it. And L stands for lock. Try to lock in the friendship by offering a solution or making things right. In the future, I'll do this differently, or how can I make it up to you? Show them you're serious about fixing things. All right, drama detox complete. Let's talk about the good stuff. Squad goals, remember? building and keeping those awesome supportive friendships that make life 100% better. Here's the secret sauce. First, be kind and supportive. Duh, right? But really be there. Listen when they need to vent, celebrate their wins like they're your own, and be a shoulder to cry on when life gets messy. Be trustworthy. Keep your promises. Guard their secrets like they're Fort Knox, and never gossip about them. Ever. And communicate openly. Talk about stuff, the good, the bad, the awkward. Honesty is the best policy, even when it's tough. Life gets crazy, we know. But make time for your friends. Actually schedule hangouts like you would for, homework or sports practice. Prioritize them. And most importantly, be yourself. Full-on, quirky, weird, wonderful you. True friends will love you for you, flaws and all. They're not looking for a perfect Insta model, they're looking for you. Don't ditch your old friends either. Life happens. People drift, but reach out, reconnect, rekindle those bonds. Old friends are like comfy old shoes. They just fit right. And in all your friendships, be gentle with your words and actions. Kindness is the foundation of all strong relationships, friendships included. Make your friends feel good about themselves, hyped up, seen, valued. Celebrate their wins, big and small. Acknowledge their strengths, even the ones they don't see in themselves, and always, always respect their privacy. Be mindful of what you share about them and what they share with you. Friendship secrets are sacred, people. And a quick note about friendships in the digital age. Social media can be amazing for staying connected, but it's also a drama bomb waiting to explode. Be smart about what you post and how you interact online. Think before you type. And remember, online connections are cool, but they can't replace real-life hangouts, face-to-face laughs, and actual hugs. Bottom line, friendship is a two-way street, friends. It takes effort, communication, respect, and a willingness to work through the bumps in the road. By learning to spot those fake friend red flags, ditching the drama, and prioritizing genuine connections, you can build a squad that's truly #friendship goals. You deserve friends who lift you up, support you, and make you feel like the amazing human you are. Period. So ditch the fake, embrace the real, build a squad that would make even the plastics, well, maybe not jealous, but definitely impressed. In a good way, obviously. Take a sec to think about your own friendships. Are they lifting you up or dragging you down? What can you do to make your relationships more positive and supportive? You got this. Okay, we made it. If you found this video helpful, hit that like button and share it with someone who needs to hear this. Subscribe for more real talk coming your way. Let's build awesome squads together. What are your best tips for healthy friendships? Share them in the comments below.